Cartoon Crush.
Snowflakes! Oh, that's lovely. Tea, tea. Tea.
Aw, man. There's no outlet here.
So they weren't plugged in yet. I guess that explains why they didn't work.
Oh, whoa! I connected them.
Lala, what are you doing over there?
I'm just wondering, why is it so pretty and sparkly inside this ball? What's in here?
Lala, it's winter. Those are snowflakes for snow.
Ooh la la, amazing! But what's a snowflake?
Snowflakes are water drops that have frozen and fall from the sky.
It would be so pretty to decorate our tree with them. But from where?
We'll make them.
That's a super idea. Look, a gear sort of looks like a snowflake. Don't you think so?
Ray, that's way too heavy to be our snowflake.
What if I make a painting of one?
Oh. Mimi, I don't think we can hang a whole canvas on our Christmas tree.
Check it out. We can cut it from paper. All done.
Awesome! It looks so nice.
Lala, you try to make one.
Ah.
Lala, your snowflake looks like a real one.
Making snowflakes is a lot of fun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun.
Winter, see the snowflakes all around.
Yay!
Come enjoy the icy weather. I will help if you fall down. Don't fret if you don't have snow. Here's a little trick I know. Cut some paper, hang them up. Some paper and some creativity. Cut it up just like a snowflake. Time to decorate the tree. Happy times are here forever. Wishes really do come true. Sing along with us together. Winter's best when shared with you. Snow, snow, see it falling so white and pretty. As it falls all around, even in the city. Snow, snow, it's my very favorite weather. Have a happy holiday, celebrate together.
Here's another for the tree, Lala.
Thank you, Doka.
Oh.
Tea. Tea?
Ready? Wow, the snowflakes really make everything look cheerful and cozy.
Know what's better than hanging snowflakes? Friends to hang them with.
Rockoons, raccoons, always play the perfect tunes. Snowflakes! Crown!
Ooh la la!
Yay!
Ah!
Pretty sure I can do that. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Tea, tea!
Ah,
Tea!
that works well.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Time for a mega flip.
Ooh.
Ha! Yeah! Oh, where did this come from?
Ah, a royal crown. Am I a king now? I'll try it on and see.
Ha!
I've heard of royal penguins before, but is there such a thing as a royal raccoon?
I think we should find out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun!
If the crown is mine to win, my team has to be all in. Get on your game, no standing still. The time has come to show your skill. Strut your stuff now, this is it. Show you're fast, show you're fit. Who will stand up to the test? I'm the king and I'm the best.
When I'm crowned Her Royal Highness, I'll announce a royal ball. There will be no room for shyness. We will dance until we fall. Come on, dance the night away. I'm the queen, do what I say. Let's all keep this party hopping, make it last all day. No stopping. Ooh la la. When So is the king, the only thing we do is compete.
And when Lala's the queen, the only thing we do is dance.
Tea. I wonder where little T is taking the crown. Oh.
Let's all create a surprise for T. We'll make him a real royal garden. Uh-huh. And done. Can this be real? Little T has made us a real royal feast.
I get it now. Being royal is really about doing things that make everyone else happy.
Long live the generous King Little T!
Hooray!
Hooray! Oh, pretty! Ooh. Our king sure has great taste.
Rockoons, Rockoons, always play the perfect tunes. A crown! The suitcase!
Come on, Lala, you're next. Try to catch me. Tea.
He'll catch me.
Tea.
Hey, check out my flip.
Tea.
Little T, are you finished playing with your blocks? Why don't I help you put them away?
Tea.
Aha!
Hey, that's not fair. I want to play ball instead. Now.
You got it!
I got it. Tea. Tea.
T, let's put away the blocks first, and then we can play with everyone else.
Tea.
Oh. Huh? Ah. That's not how it works, T. We have to put the blocks away where they live. Huh?
Hey, T, why don't we move the blocks with this handy little moving truck?
Tea. Ooh la la.
Whoa!
Oh, wow.
But that isn't a truck, it's a suitcase. And what's a suitcase for, Mimi? Well, for starters, you can twirl with it.
Huh? Tea. Tea.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun!
Let's all take a trip somewhere. My suitcase will get me there.
Take a bus or aeroplane, in a car or on a train.
Pack your suitcase, sing a song.
suitcase.
I think it can be used for anything, even as a little truck. Only it appears this truck is missing something. Got it! Now it can be a sporty little truck to move all of these blocks back to where they belong. Tee!
Rockoons! Always play the perfect tunes! Suitcase!
And now let's all play tag, and I'll be it.
Huh?
Gee!
Buttons!
Surprise! Surprise!
Hey, what's going on? Is today some kind of holiday?
Doka, we thought today could be a celebration of Girls' Day, and we prepared some presents for you all.
Yay! It's tulips, my favorite flower. Thanks so much, Ray. That's lovely.
And I wrote a poem for you. I don't think they're sugar and spice. They're better than that. They're just quite nice. Yes, girls are awesome, that's for sure. They deserve the world and more.
That was one of the best poems I've heard, so.
Llama, I made this all by myself. Try it out. Whew, I'm glad it didn't break.
It's a wonderful stool, Flopsy. Thank you.
Tea, are you gifting me your favorite container?
Gee!
That's so kind. Why, thank you, T. Whatever's inside feels so heavy.
Hey, that's not a present. Those are just boring buttons.
This is a wonderful gift, Baby T. Buttons are magical.
Doka, how on earth are buttons magical?
Let me show you so. They're so useful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun!
Buttons are fun to craft and play with, making lots of art all day with button birds and button creatures, even button window features. Buttons here and buttons there, numbers, letters anywhere. Buttons that are square or round, so much fun that we have found. Buttons in all shapes and sizes, lots of button-y surprises. Button giants in the sky, even see them way up high. Through the clouds we're cruising, buttons that we're using. Buttons here and buttons there, numbers, letters anywhere. Buttons that are square or round,
love your gift. And this assortment is so lovely. They're too pretty to hide in a box.
Doka, what if we decorate our hats with them?
That's awesome! You guys look great!
Tea?
After that, how about we eat a feast? Well, at least a feast of this pie I made. Doka, I didn't know playing with buttons could be this much fun. So many uses for such a simple thing.
Sometimes in life, the simplest things turn out to be the biggest treasures of all.
Rockoons always play the perfect tunes. Buttons.
The drumstick.
Ooh. Ah. Ah.
Oh.
Time to rock a solo! Oh yeah!
Let's rock!
Yeah!
Oh?
Tea?
Have any of you seen my drumstick anywhere?
No, I haven't seen it.
No,
No,
me
I
neither.
I'm sure we'll find it, Foff. Here, in the meantime, try drumming with this.
Oh, yikes. Thanks so much, Doka. Those spoons are great for eating yummy soup. Turns out they're not so great for drumming.
Tea?
Aw. Oh. No, the maraca doesn't work either. Oh, how can I play in a concert with only one drumstick?
It's okay, Foff. You only need one drumstick to create a whole world of fun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Boom, bang, bada bum. That stick can do much more than drum. Ooh, why not use your stick to fish? Or make any toy you wish. Wanna play a game with sticks? We can try some brand new tricks. I can be my own rock band with a drumstick in my hand. us run. Let's try something new today. Grab your drumstick and let's play. Wanna play a game with sticks? We can try some brand new tricks. I can be my own rock band with a drumstick in my hand.
Oh, I get it, Doka. I don't actually need 2 drumsticks to play in the concert. I just need my imagination.
Then what do you say? Should we make some music?
Come on, let's rock it. And I've got 2 hands. Rockoons always play the perfect tunes.
One drumstick.
Fan.
Oh, poor wilted flowers. We've got to get you some water.
I'm on it, Mimi.
Dee, dee. Bob, thank you for the bath, but it's the flowers that need it.
Oh, sorry about that, Mimi. Take that. I can do this all day. That sounds good. Oh no, Ray, how did I miss that? It's just that it's so hot out here.
Yeah, I'm pretty hot too, but I still hit the ball back. Dee! Wow, T, it looks like you were pretty thirsty. Dee!
Ooh la la, I'm practically sweating.
Don't worry, this will cool you off.
Huh? Wind's too strong. Huh? Gee!
Whoa! Oh! There's no way we can play ping pong like that.
You've got a fan!
How exquisite! And the heat is gone.
Yep, everyone needs a fan in the heat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun.
When a breeze just can't be found, fans sweep cool air all around. If you're feeling kind of bland, try a bright fan day is getting hotter in the sun, there's a way to keep on having so much fun. Catch the cool and bring it to you. Feel the wind just blow right through you. Move the air everywhere, fanning off a hot night. What a tool, feels so cool. Fans are in the spotlight. Fans can be a work of art. Hold it proudly at your heart. Set it sailing on the sea. Fans are friends to you and me. When the day is getting hotter in the sun, there's a way to keep on having so much fun. Catch the cool and bring it to you. Feel the wind just blow right through you. Move the air everywhere, fanning off a hot night. What a tool, feels so cool. Fans are in the spotlight.
It still feels so hot out, and we only have one fan to share.
Oh? Tea. Oh. Ooh la la. We can make fans for everyone out of colored paper. It's as simple as can be.
Lala, that's a great idea.
Yeah!
Yay, 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 yay! Tea.
Now that's what I call cool.
And I feel a little too cool, actually.
Tea! Rockoons, Rockoons always play the perfect tunes. Fan. Paintbrushes.
Foff, let's play soccer. Come on.
Sorry, So. Not right now. I'm making a present for Mimi.
What are those? Are these some kind of tiny wands for magic tricks or something like that?
Ha! Not exactly so. They're gonna be paintbrushes.
But how are you supposed to paint with them?
They just need one more thing.
Pass around the obstacles. Go!
Whoa! So, I found what I needed. Now they're ready.
That smells awesome. I'll just add one more hint of lemon to it.
Mimi, I made you a little something.
That's really nice. Fab, you're the best. I wonder what it could be. It's a bunch of new kinds of paintbrushes. I haven't ever painted with ones like these.
They're each different shapes and sizes.
How about I make a picture of you as thanks?
Okay.
Mimi, can you draw a picture of me too?
And me.
Oh, wait, what's wrong, Mimi?
Lala, I don't know which brush I'm supposed to start with. Like this one? Or wait, or this one?
What if you just try using all of them to paint?
But then what if I make a mistake?
Making mistakes is no big deal. That's the only way we can learn some things.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's sing and dance and have some fun!
Painting isn't tricky, you just have to start. Let's all get creative now, time to make some art. Grab a brush and start to paint anything you see. With the Rockoons as your pals, singing happily. Brushes can do lots of things, like I know you can. A brush can even clean your house, keep it spick and span. Paint a purple berry, so high up in a tree. Make our world all colorful, fun for you and me. There's so many types of the brushes you can use. Little ones and thick ones, which one will you choose? Painting isn't tricky, you just have to start. Let's all get creative now, time to make some art. Grab a brush and start to paint anything you see. With the Rockoons as your pals, singing happily. Brushes can do makeup all over your face. Whether in or outside, use them any place. You don't have to paint things in a realistic way. Try to have a good time, make it feel like play. Brushes can be magic, that's the reason why. Painting is amazing, come give it a try. Painting isn't tricky, you just have to start. Let's all get creative now, time to make some art. Grab a brush and start to paint anything you see. With the Rockoons as your pals, singing happily. With the Rockoons as your pals, singing happily. With the Rockoons as your pals, singing happily.
And now I think I can draw a picture of all you guys.
Great. Yeah. That's awesome.
First, the large brush for the background. And all the main colors. And a medium brush is good for making the medium-sized stuff. And then, this small brush can be used to make all the smaller details. All done, guys.
Ooh la la! It's beautiful.
I love it so much, Mimi. Would you mind if I hang it up in my workshop?
No, Foff. I want to hang it up in my gym. It'll look great there.
So, why don't we hang it on the stage wall instead? That way, everyone can admire it.
Rockoons, Rockoons, always play the perfect tunes! Paintbrushes!
Cartoon Crush.